As you can see, this is a calor patio gas bottle, empty I believe, and I'm going to attempt to make a log burner out of it. This is going to be a Christmas present for my daughter and her boyfriend. And this is the finished article. This is my little demon. Let me give you a guided tour. As you can see, I put a tail on him. Eyes. This is actually a bottle opener from Poundland. Removable grill. The hole in the you can see in the bottom is for drainage. The ones around the outside are air vents for the fire. His horns, his claws, the tip of his tail is an ornament of a metal gate. His tail's a conduit. The tips, the horn tips, are made out of big bolts. The chimney is removable for transportation. And obviously can be cut down if it's too big. Overall, I'm quite pleased with the way it came out. If you want to see the build, carry on watching. Not pretty, but that's going to be covered up by the exhaust, the chimney should I say. It's pretty, you haven't got smell-o-vision because this stuff stinks. Moving on to slicing open the actual doorway. I do reckon that you're better off just cutting one side and then welding the hinges on, so that when you cut the rest of the door it opens and closes properly. When I cut the slots just down here, I'm not sure, I think when I cut the slots down here and drill it out. Upright slots are done, now I've got to join the dots at the bottom and top. Series of holes, connecting the dots. I see lots of drilling in my future. First slot out, grinding. And another tooth comes out. Might be time to weld the hinges on before actually free everything. Hinges tacked on, hopefully in the right place. It's all the tidying up, grinding down, a little bit of weld on these to make them look a little prettier. It is a Christmas present. I'm going to space these feet apart. Originally I was going to do, well, these two together, but they're going to be a lot narrower than the bottle, and stability being the big issue with feet, I'm going to make them about 1.5 inches in total wider than the bottle. And to do that I'm going to use these strips that I cut out of the front. Obviously they're going to have legs on it, but the next step is to fit the legs. These are maybe the legs. I'm going to make them from there to there, from there to there, 19 inches, and the idea is they're going to fit like that. Now the problem is that obviously I've got to get them in the middle of the bottle, and I've also got to get them straight. Okay, this is what it's looking like at the moment. This is just basically trying to get it level front to back. I have to remind myself that this isn't an engineering project, it's purely a log burner, so it doesn't need to be exact. All it needs to be is square, roughly square, and safe. A lot of welding later. I'm going to drill some holes in the bottom, and I think the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to light a fire in it and see if I can burn all the paint off, because I've got some high temperature paint and it's obviously only going to adhere to paint that's going to burn off, so That's the next move. It was just basically a test burn to get rid of the paint. Okay, forgot to video this a bit, but still, I wasn't happy with the feet, so I've chopped the pointed toes off and just left little stubs. Reshaped the back slightly, just because it looked a bit out of proportion. I painted it in high temperature black and I've welded on a boss on the top. I'll show you what that's for. I've decided that I'm going to put a tail on this little demon, and this is what I've fashioned. Well, pigeon pooed on. It looks a bit shady at the moment, but once I've cleaned it up and painted it, I think it'll look quite nice. I'm actually going to paint this. I haven't mentioned it before. I'm going to paint the end red. One is the tail. Off a gate, I think it is, a metal gate. And the other thing I've decided to add is a pair of these. And I've just made this one into one of them. last modification, I've decided to put claws on the feet. So I picked up some of these, which are actually hangers for lights, industrial lights, and cut them across there, then cut them across there, and then weld them onto the feet with little point on, so they look like claws. That's the last modification. Oh, apart from I'm just putting the tips of the horns red. Cut the middle out here and just